Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Charlie from CR3 Home Services. Hey, I'm in another DIY video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change out a toilet flapper. Normally, when you hear this noise right here on your toilet, that means normally your flapper is bad. That's what it's called, ghost flushing. I'm gonna show y'all in steps what you need to do and how to change out the toilet flapper. All right, let's go. The first step you need to do, you need to cut this water supply line off. See, it's a quarter turn, so it just turn clockwise. And that's how you turn the water off. The second step is to remove the toilet tank cover so you know what you're dealing with, know what you're working with. Third step is to drain your water out the toilet tank. Fourth step is taking your flapper off your flush valve. This is right here is your flush valve. And this right here is your toilet handle. So you gotta get that link from your toilet handle as well too. It goes on these hooks that's right beside it. And as you take it off, this clips on. Just like that. Now y'all can get a better look on this flush valve I was telling y'all about. All this right here is your flush valve. These are the hooks that your flapper goes on to when you connect it back together. And this is your toilet handle right here. And this is where your chain link goes. Wherever your chain link, where your flapper was at, normally what you do, just put it back in the chain link that it was on. And this is what's called your fill valve. Your fill valve, when it's bad, it just constantly keep running. I made a video on this already, so if you're having a problem with that, check out that video. I'm gonna install this new flapper on there so you guys can see what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, here go the flapper right here that I'm finna install on the flush valve. See them clips I was telling y'all about. Make sure you connect it to on there. I'll start off on one side first, just like that. And make sure the flapper is inside that hole. And go to the other side. And then push down. Boom, like that. And now, connect your link back. Just like that. And that's how you change out your flapper in the toilet. Turn your water back on down here. Make sure you don't hear no more noises, strange noises, like it's trying to flush and all that stuff anymore. Let the water fill up. If water not going down, we're good to go. That means you install it correctly. See how you don't hear any more noises or anything, like trying to flush or anything like that. That's it. That's how you change out a flapper in the toilet. So like, subscribe, comment on my YouTube, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about my videos. If you have any suggestions that you want me to create a video on, let me know. And just follow my page and come with me on my journey. All right, y'all, for sure.